Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video at Lazi-Low Collectibles on YouTube. I would like to welcome all my new subscribers and of course my old and regular subscribers. Let's see how this car turns out on the turntable. So let's see what we can do with this one, and this is going to be my entry for the Diecast and Modelers community June build, any Corgi vehicle. So I choose this Buick Riviera by Corgi Toys, and I think it's a beautiful model. I will change the tires, these are very old, and obviously repaint, and I need to repaint the bumpers and the front grille. A very nice model, I think. And if you are not member of the D&MC, which I will put here the logo, on Facebook, you can join us. We are a crazy bunch of guys. And also we are on YouTube, Diecast and Modelers community. If you enjoy watching this or you have the same hobby, please find us, join us. It's a good community and we help each other out. So I will drill these apart. I think I'm not gonna put the hook back, so I will sort that out. And I will take this apart. This was very easy. I drilled with a small drill bit and then the bigger one. So looks like okay. So we have a free axle with the hubs and the tires. Obviously the tires will come off. They are cracked and too old. So we have the other tire as well and the axle. So it's pretty easy. This is the base. So this will be paint stripped and painted back to gray. Hopefully all the bits and pieces. This is interesting. How this works. This one has got the lamps. And I think this one is the headlight, if I'm correct. Yes. So we don't have jewelry headlights. We have these lights here, and they look like jewelry headlights. So this is only going to be cleaned, and I hope I filmed it. How did I take this out? Because now I don't remember. But that is very interesting. And this one comes out from underneath this pin, and should be another pin somewhere. Interesting. So this one is actually easy busy then. This will go into the oven cleaner, and this is our taillights. So I will repaint these. And we have the interior, which is again very simple. And we have a windscreen, which is not drilled in, thank God for that. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I will do my best. And this is our body. It's a bit dusty, but apart from that, it looks pretty good. No dents, no bends. So looks quite straightforward. So I will start paint stripping these two. I will sort out the tires. This I just wash. I'm gonna work on the windscreen and on the frame as well. And I'm happy that the suspensions are good. So this should be interesting. So back in a sec. I'm painting the tail lights. This is the plastic frame which comes out. It was very easy, very simple. Just put a little bit Honda Milano red on this one. It's quite nice color for the tail lights. And I'm cleaning the hubs as well. It was a bit difficult because these are not the regular hubs. These are the wire wheels. So what I find out, I was always wondering why I got so many vinyl plastic brushes when I buy the metal brushes for the Dremel. And I just find out that they are actually good for polishing. So I've used a couple of them and I made the hubs a little bit better. Okay guys, so we're nearly done with the Corgi. So let's see quickly what I've done. I repainted the tail lights, which were on this plastic bit. This I just cleaned, same as the interior, that's just been cleaned. I polished up the hubs and put some new tires on, so they're pretty good. Got the base plate repainted, not the best, but it looks all right. This is the front and the back on this frame, which is resprayed, and this is the body. No details on this one, as I went for the original look. So this looks pretty good. So I will be putting this together, but I have to look my footage when I took it apart because of these plastic things. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I looked up my footage and this goes under that hook in there. So that will sit there. So I have to put the tail lights in, which is not that easy. That's it. So that's now clicked in there. So you can see the tail lights. And then this one comes on the top. So I have to put the lights in the front, push them in, and then that will click down here. So that will hold these two together. And now they are in. So that is now complete. So we got the lights at the front and we got the lights at the back. So let's start with the windscreen, which sits here. I believe the next one is the interior. A bit forward. Yeah, I think it should sit in there. And then we got this whole bit. And then we got the tires. One set in there. One set in there. And the last bit will be the base plate. And the car is ready. So I'll put this on the turntable and we'll see how does it look. So this is our Buick before restoration. I think it looks pretty complete apart from the paint on the chassis. But I think it's a fantastic, beautiful model. It's a gorgeous car. And this is how the car turned out after the restoration. It has got fresh paint. I did work on the windscreen, repainted the tail lights, changed the tires. polished up the hubs and repainted the grills at the front and the bumpers at the back. I think it looks fantastic. I love the color and I love the shape of this 70s cruiser. So guys, our Buick Riviera is done. I'm really happy with this one. I think it looks gorgeous and I really like it. I like the color on this one and it's a beautiful car. So this is my entry for Diecast and Modelers community June build any Corgi vehicle. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to watch the other guys' video. I will link the DMC channel's link on YouTube down below here in the comment section. And please, if you want to join the DMC club on Facebook, you don't need to have a channel. You can just do your cars, or if you are a car enthusiastic, you can always join. It's fun. We help each other. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you come back next Friday as well for a new adventure. So take care for now, guys, and see you and bye-bye.